I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, the 8th of August. New day, same old story. Very moist air, showers and storms at times, maybe some heavy rain in spots, maybe some localized flooding problems. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network. These were captured at the insane hour of 5 o'clock. I mean, who would be awake at this hour? That's the view coming from Tuscaloosa. No rain around the state at daybreak. That's the Haleyville Skycam in Winston County. And how about a look at downtown Atmore? That's down in Escambia County, right at the Florida state line. Well, there's our MCS of the morning. Mesoscale convective system, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri. Those things form on the top of the heat bubble. They kind of rotate down this way in a northwest flow aloft. And even if those dissipate, the outflow, or maybe a vortex, an MCV, tends to initiate new storms down here in the afternoon. So I think today will be a whole lot like yesterday. Let's look at the radar out there early this morning, and it's just been more heavy rain and some flooding problems out there. You got flash flood watches for parts of Kansas and Missouri, a number of counties under flash flood warnings. We also note the guys in Atlanta still are maintaining a flash flood watch for the northern half of Georgia. Up in Huntsville, they dropped that flash flood watch, and it's kind of isolated, and, it's kind of hard defining watches this time of the year, but clearly there could be a few flooding problems in spots later today where the heavier storms form as the precipitable water values are over 2 inches. These will drop a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Severe weather possibilities today. Slight risk over much of Oklahoma, some of the adjacent states. And then tomorrow, no formal risk, just the 5% probabilities around, including about the northern two-thirds of Alabama. Rain for the next 5 days, and yeah, you know what I'm going to say. Some spots are going to get a lot more than that. Parts of Birmingham had 3 inches just in 1 hour yesterday. In Hoover and Homewood, Vestavia, causing major flooding issues. That's through Tuesday morning of next week. Tropics still pretty quiet. Little weak wave barely noticeable over the eastern Caribbean. And that's about it. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Vortex north of the Great Lakes. Ridging here in the southern states. The core of the upper high is over Louisiana. And again, same deal down below that. We'll see showers and storms forming later today. Check the high-res NAM, 5 o'clock today. It looks kind of dry, and I'm not so sure that's right. With this kind of air mass, I'd expect to see more convection than that. This is tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock, 5 a.m., and shows another batch of showers and storms coming in here. And like we've talked about, there's very little skill in timing this stuff out. We just can't tell you when it's going to start, when it's going to stop, but we could have a storm at any time, day or night. Clearly, the most numerous ones will probably come during the afternoon and evening hours. 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, showers and storms around here. Saturday at 1 o'clock, more storms to the north that would be moving in here. So just occasional showers and storms are likely through the weekend. Here's Sunday, same deal. But remember, the sun will be out at times, so it's not going to be just, totally rainy all the time. Temperatures below average, most days highs between 87 and 90. Go to next week. This is Monday. Upper high around New Orleans. But again, we'll have showers and storms around here. For the Gulf Coast, the upper high should keep the showers more widely spaced down there. So if you're beach bound, weather not that bad. Pretty decent amount of sunshine every day. Here's Tuesday. We'll walk you through next week. It looks the same. This is Wednesday. Got a surface boundary north of us. It's a nice dry air mass over the Midwest. But the front stalls out near the Tennessee border. And then Thursday, pretty much the same deal. We stay in the moist air. We'll check the 17th of August. The GFS developed some type of little low just off the outer banks of North Carolina. Maybe tropical in nature, but whatever. That would not bother us if that's the case. Check the end of the forecast on the 23rd of August. And again, broad troughing here. Same deal. Scattered showers and storms. And like we've talked about all summer, no sign of any excessively hot weather. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News and the live stream of the television side this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.